Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to solve this problem called cyclically rotate an array by 1. So it's a GFG question. So let's read the question first of all. Given an array, rotate the array by one position in clockwise direction, right? So the question is pretty simple. Basically, an array will be given to you. You have to rotate this array by one position in clockwise direction, right? So what is clockwise direction? We are actually moving all the elements to the right hand side, right? One step ahead in the right hand side, and then the last element will come to the first index, right? So 1 will go to the next index, 2 will go to the next index, 3 will go to the next index, 4 will go to the next index, and 5 will go to the first index. That's how we are rotating it in clockwise direction, right? So the question is very simple. So let's look into the approach. Basically what we are doing, we are actually shifting 4 here, we are shifting 3 here, we are shifting 2 here, and we are shifting 1 here. But bro, when you do this, when you shift 4 here, 5 will disappear. I mean 5 will become 4. But we want 5 to place that 5 in this index, right? So what we are basically going to do, we will store this 5 in some temp variable at first, and then we will do this shifting operation. We will do this shifting operation. First of all, I am going to store this ARR of n minus first index, basically the last index value in temp, and then I'm going to, let's say, run a loop. I equals to, it starts from the last index, I is greater than or equals to 0, I minus minus, and inside this loop what I'm going to do, I'm going to do something like ARR of I pro, take the last index ARR of I minus 1 and place it here. Okay, this equals to won't be there. Why? Because whenever the pointer will reach here, this value will come here, and we don't want this pointer to be here because there is no previous value, and at this position this 5 will come, right? So at last, after ending this loop, ARR of first index, that is 0, we will store temp there. So that's it for the code. The code is very simple. So let's look at the code now. So the same code which I have written, first, I have kept the last index value in a temp variable, then I have done this shifting operation, and then the value in temp was kept in the first index, right? So that's how we solve this problem, and it's very simple. So I hope you got the intuition. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, see ya.